Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me there yourself for telling the war go on for that to go on, you see me? So let's just kick it off with dancehall artist Skillibeng because it seems like he's cheating on his baby mom's Taveionn again. And you know, this is nothing new. Obviously, he's a dancehall artist. So he's going to do the do's. You see me, I said, but this time him look like him pick up one girl that favor him first time baby mother, Leshy. You see me, I say, and like Leshy and the new girl, themself front. And you know them out yourself strip. You see me, I say, but nevertheless, the girl is stressed because we posted it up and she said me out here edit things, not knowing, say, I send her clock things. As you can see, the sender said, Skillibeng just be doing anything. This girl work and travel as a stripper. See her in Taboo a couple of times. So I say, ah boy, and like I said, me post it and the girl stressed. So that's why the original sender come back and say, haha, she's in the comment on your post and delete the video out her post. Delusional. Right, and these are the posts that she's talking about because obviously a Skillibeng them ring, and you know when jump off put on one rapper or one dancehall artist ring, you know say I'm done crack it and pipe it because they're definitely not friends. You feel what I mean? And it's just like homegirl who they put skank on her fingernail. Why a girl name again Stunner Girl. You see me I say. So you know Skillibeng crack it, you feel me? And like I said, she look like she promote some song for him, but put up the wrong thing and the people them up put two and two together. So you see her with the ring now, and this is what else she posted in other posts and delete. You see me, as you can see, about 8 posts in a one post. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So she said, oh yeah, so I said it shows that you don't know how to edit things. But I know you need fame and believe that. Be happy for a while. Yeah. These girls, boy, I mean, they want to deal with our wicked, you know. But we definitely don't need fame off for shit. But nevertheless, me dogs them off for live. Or at least that's what the people them was thinking with Masicka and Vibes Cartel do the song. But only to come out and say Masicka nah deal with them dogs, right? And them a starve over this son. You see me I say, and the people them a come out and talk to things. And even tag one producer boy. You see me I say, as you can see, it says, calm down, striker. Good boy. You know Masicka go on like say my top striker. Cause you know him have the song there. But you know the people them is saying that, you know, basically the man them they run Masicka, whether them my entourage, security, or producer, or DJ. And when it's time for them to get paid, them not pay him. You see me saying the people them are struggling and take out loan and Masicka nah give them no money so them not default on loan and one bag of stinting in. You see me I say, and me have recording with Masicka this in Shaney. I'm not going to put that in the headline, but we're going to drop that story in time. You see me I say. But me just giving you a quick update while I go on for that to go on, you see me. And remember, say, we're still there with Mix-Up, you know, but pan the Boom Bye Bye news channel because, you know, say, June did ads. Be a Mix-Up. Me not gonna lie to you. June coming like it have its own 365 days, you know. You see, man, so check out these next suggested videos in the sip on the screen. And in the meantime, swing by my Boom Bye news channel and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Likewise, over here soon. And press all, therefore you'll be notified whenever I chat the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.